Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. This is Ritch Robin. We've got a 24 by 60. We call it the Beast on our YouTube channel. And you've got 1/4 inch thick steel, 24 diameter by 60 inches long, single wide cut door. And we got a 1/2 inch thick square firebox, as you see there. And he's got gas assist. This guy's got everything on this thing. Stainless steel handles on all his dial vents and door handles. Beautiful welds, probe ports, Texas artwork. Got the Gator gauges. We did some North Carolina state artwork there, along with more Texas artwork here. He's got the D-rings, propane tank holder, and of course he's got our golf cart kit down there, as you can see. On the side here, we've got the removable T-handle and a side access door with a huge D-rings on it. Again, our golf cart kit, that T-handle is detachable. And he also added a 2-inch receiver tube or 2-inch hitch to it to be able to pull behind a ATV or his side-by-side around his property. And let's see what we got on the inside of this thing. One-handed door counterweight, makes it nice and sweet. He's got tuning plates. He's got upper and lower slide meat racks that are beefed out, heavy duty, as you can see, all framed out and reinforced with more angle. He's got Guru adapter dials. This is to hook the Guru fans to, or some other device. You switch his dials out on his firebox down there and put these on. It takes about 2 minutes to do that, and he can plug in that fan and use that thermostatically controlled fan to run his pit. Very nice. Tuning plates are removable and lockable. What else we got on this thing? Got those SS wheels. That's gunmetal. I like the gunmetal look. And on the back side, I'll walk you around there. They're putting a ball valve on it right now. And on the back side, I'll just walk around because we're actually fixing to load it on this flatbed. Gas assist system back here, as you can see, with the control valves, regular hose, and there's that 2-inch receiver tube. Take that T-handle off that you pull it around with by hand, plug this onto it, or pin it rather, it just pins there, and you can hook it up to a side-by-side. And again, it's heading to North Carolina, and the hotshot driver's here to pick it up. Beautiful pit, pretty cool with that 2-inch receiver tube on it to be able to haul this thing around. Birdhouse stacks, and he does have the ash rake and fire pokers and all that with it. And of course, he's got the stainless steel shelf that we've wrapped and kept it wrapped to keep it clean while he's traveling. Ritch Robin, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. See ya.